Now that we have an idea of how to best prepare for pregnancy, we can address the many causes of infertility that affect people of all walks of life. The possible causes of infertility are numerous. We can explain some of the more common issues like tubal damage or disease, polycystic ovary syndrome or PCOS, uterine abnormalities, hormone imbalances, endometriosis, age, male infertility, and unexplained infertility. The fallopian tube carries the egg from the ovary to the uterus. Fallopian tube damage usually results from inflammation of the fallopian tube, which can result from infections, sexually transmitted diseases or STDs, endometriosis, surgery, and unknown factors. Tubal damage or abnormalities can make it impossible for the fertilized egg to travel through the fallopian tube to the uterus. Damage or abnormalities in the uterus can be caused by fibroids, endometriosis, which also affects the ovaries, an abnormal uterine lining, or surgery to the abdomen or pelvis. All abnormalities can create difficulties in conceiving or maintaining a pregnancy. We all have a vague idea of how important hormones are to sex and attraction, but they also play an important part in ovulation. Irregularities in our hormone system can be caused by early menopause, tumors, chemotherapy, thyroid disorders, polycystic ovary syndrome, lack of ovulation, but also causes as simple as an injury, smoking, excessive exercise, and eating disorders. These can all in turn affect ovulation and the possibility of becoming pregnant. You should talk to your doctor about these possible issues. Now, we've all heard about the biological clock. From about the age of 34 onwards, a woman's fertility starts to decrease rapidly and her egg quality and quantity lessens. There are nearly as many causes of male infertility. On top of those discussed in our 6 habits of highly successful fertility patients, low sperm count or limited movement or sluggishness in the sperm can interfere with the sperm reaching or entering the egg. The common causes of sperm issues are genetic defects, sexually transmitted diseases or STDs, prostate problems, varicocele, which are enlarged blood vessels, spinal injuries, unknown reasons, and injuries to the testicles. Being overweight, having vitamin deficiencies, smoking or abusing alcohol or drugs can all create difficulties for male fertility. And of course, numerous sexual issues such as difficulty maintaining erections or premature ejaculation can interfere with fertility. The good news is many of these issues are treatable. There's a lot you and we can do to improve your chances of conception.